Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Blessing. If this is your first time of stopping, but you're highly welcome. My name is Blessing. I'm a mom of two. I live in France. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. Share with your loved ones and your friends and family. Like, comment, and share and subscribe. So today I'll be unboxing our Christmas clothes from SHEIN. So yeah, unbox our Christmas clothes and yeah, on Christmas order from Chien basically. So all I have in here is they are all of them are clothes, not I think clothes, yeah, clothes and maybe some other stuff. But it's basically for the festive Christmas and New Year. So unbox my Shein order with me. So let's get into the video, guys. So first of all, thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So first of all, yeah, we open this smaller one, this small part. So let's see what is inside here. Let's see what's inside here. So quick info. What I have in here are just matching clothes for us, for me, my son, my daughter, and my boyfriend. So we're going to be wearing matching clothes for the Christmas and New Year, I guess. So those are all I have here. They're basically the same thing for all of us. So I'll be showing you guys that. So here, okay, here I have this pretty turtleneck. Wow, it's too small. It's going to be small. Wow, not small, but it looks small. It looks kind of small, but it's not small, right? Not small. As you can see, too big, too doable. So this is what I call it, t-shirt or sweat. I don't know. So this sleeve, white sleeve that I have, that I bought for me. This one is for me. I have to put it back. This one is for me. Oh, so the second one I have here is Shein Kids. This is for my kids. Okay, which one is this? Okay, then is another knitwear sleeve and turtleneck sleeve as well. One is for my daughter. Yeah, one is for Zara. I don't know why they fold the hand. It's kind of weird. You just fold the hand like for real. Yeah, so it's for my daughter. When it's her own, like I said, we are going to be matching this Christmas and New Year. So I tried as much as possible to get something that is similar to all of us. There's something that is similar to each other, right? So I tried as much as possible to get something that is similar. Then it's white. Though my own is not that white, but it looks similar. So yeah. So let's unbox this one that have all the goodies in it. Oh, oh my god. Mhm. So this bag is the first thing that I brought out. So okay. First thing I have in this bag is oh, this is supposed to be large also. So is this sleeve? I don't know if it's sleeve or t-shirt. I don't know what this is called, but it's button down. This green, kind of trying to bring the Christmas vibe, right? So is this one? I don't know why the color is dull or something. I don't know why the color is like this. I think it's light or something. So yeah, is this one that I have? This is my boyfriend. Yeah, this is so nice and it's quite hot. Not that see through. So it's kind of thick. It will be warm, not that warm, but it's doable. Like if you put on something like this with this, I think you are good to go. You just put on the small jacket. Put on small jacket, it will be good. And this is in size M for him, so I don't know. I think I made a mistake because I should have bought size large, but M is still okay for him though. So yeah, so yeah, I said this is Shink. One is for my daughter. See, it's in size and it's the same texture, not light, kind of thick. It's good for the cold as well. So and this is in size 2 to 3 years, which is probably 90 to 100, I guess. I don't know. Pick 90 to 100 or 100 to 114. Next, I have in here is some SHEIN kids, and for my son. The same thing, like I said. Wow, it's not that thick, but it's almost the same thing. But this one is not that thick compared to the other two that I just told you guys. So it's almost the same thing, but the thickness is not the same, right? Not that thick, but it's still okay. This one is for my son, and it's in size 5 years. Yeah, the same thing, similar, the same design, almost, if not the same. Probably is almost. And next, I have this Shein case. Okay. So next, I have this romper, this black romper for my daughter. And this is in size 18 to 24 months, right? So I try to get something that is smaller in the romper so that it will look fitted and beautiful, right? And sexy. So this one is for me. Yeah, this one is for me. This one is well packed, like very important. The packaging is so nice and protected. Okay. 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 This one is kind of different from the rest. Okay. Okay. This one is kind of different. It's the same. Okay. Okay. This one is kind of different. The color is different. The texture, it looks stronger than the rest. I don't know, it's giving like denim vibe and some kind of how to put it now. I don't know how to put it. I don't know, boka, something like that. My Igbo viewers will understand. You know this, so it's giving like denim vibe and something like that. So and it's quite heavy. And it's heavy compared to the rest. It's heavy and button. This one, the button is so big compared to the other ones that I just showed you guys. The colors is different, so but it's doable as well. And the down, I don't think it's the same. You have the same curvy down, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm quite happy. They're not different, but I think I'm a little big on me though. Wow, she's so pretty. So, I have this pretty dress. This shirt is so adorable. It looks so beautiful. Like this beautiful dress. Oh my god, look at it. Looks so bold. They even look more beautiful than the site, right? This is so beautiful. Well, by the way, this is not. It's like it feels like cotton or satin, something like that. It's not that strong. It's not strong. It's very light, like summer vibe. But here is manageable. Not that thick. Not that light as well. So it's manageable. It's okay. The white part is okay, but this down is not that obvious. They're going to be tight or something inside. So yeah, and it comes with this mini bow with an hair hairband. I think a band, something like that. Yeah, this mini hairband that you can just tie. Like this thing gives me trouble a lot. I don't know how to tie it. I think I have to learn it on YouTube because when I buy dress, it always comes with it. So I just toss them there in the bin. I just put it in. Oh my god! I'll just straight. It will just be laying around in our drawer or just. I have to learn it, right? have to learn how to do it. Also, I got this dress super pretty. The next one I have is this very cute but big and bagalicious red and red and black block print. This is so cute and adorable. This one is also matching. This one is also matching for the family as well. I'm gonna be matching this one as well. This is for my son, but I don't know. It looks so big. It's just free. It fits in though. And by the way, this is size 5 to 6 years. Normally you get 5 years. I just thought that why not getting 5 to 6 years since it's getting bigger by the day. But that was so big on him. We'll see how that goes, right? We'll see how that goes. So the next one I have is this. I have this turtleneck knitwear or sleeve. It's so cute. This is in size 5 years, which is 110. 110 size 5 years as well. And this is so stretchy. Like I don't know. Let's see. Super stretchy. And kind of warm. Well, it's kind of warm, so it's okay. Okay. Next one I have is this shirt. Well, I think I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't expect that the clothes will be like the material will be this light, but it's still the same. But the material is kind of light. That is not what I was expecting. Light, I don't know. The sewing and everything is just so I don't know, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. And it comes with this pants. But the pants is even more beautiful than the shirt. Yeah, but it's very long. Oh, it comes with this pants and it's a two-piece. Yeah. This is also in size 5. It's 110 as well. Okay. This is another turtleneck sleeve. Wow. This I love like SHEIN. Oh my god, SHEIN turtleneck sleeve for kids are the bomb, are the best and are very affordable. Like I love their turtleneck sleeve for kids for cold. It's very wow. This is so nice. The texture is so good. Like the texture is everything. Just look at this. I don't know if you can see. Obviously, I've tried my best to put all the link of this clothes in the description box. Like this cloth is everything. It's everything. Wow. So stretchy, so solid, so nice. This is definitely going to be hot. 5 years and 110. This Shein kiss again. Yeah, okay, that is for my daughter, obviously. Yeah. So I got this very pretty dress. I don't know, it gave me some kind of vibe right now. I don't know the kind of vibe that it's giving me. I got this very pretty dress. I have this kind of leopard print in the hand, and the material is kind of foam. I don't know how to put. I don't know what this is called though. It looks like foam. Something that you will just stand. It will stand. It looks like something that will be hot, right? And it comes with this little beret. Is it beret or cap? Whatever you call it though. I don't know. It comes with this small cap. I want to look like the British people, right? It comes with this cap. So just see. Doesn't that look adorable, right? I know. So yeah, that's basically it for her. So in case you see me folding this clothes wrongly, just pretend that you didn't see it. I'm not good at folding clothes. Oh my god, these clothes are huge. I've just gotten more. Oh god, this particular one they are so big. They are big, like very big. Look at this is size large. Like I usually get chain large, but not this big. They are not this big. They don't look like extra large. Hopefully it fits though because if this thing doesn't fit, I just have to go and amend it. One is for my daughter. One is also manageable. This is in size 2 to 3 years. This particular red one is big, oh, definitely oversized. Oh my god, she and they have to do better. But this thing doesn't look anything like large. This thing look like extra large. You can't even see me inside. That's how big this clothes is. So, with their foot. The moment I was looking for something that have extra room. Now they have given me what I want now. That was the last one. So that was basically it. That's what I got for our Christmas and New Year clothes. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by again. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And Merry Christmas and New Year in advance. Hope you're showing love wherever you are. Hope you are being nice to the world and helping the world to show love and see love as well. Hope everything is okay with you and see you in my next video. Have a nice and wonderful Christmas and New Year. And God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment before you go. Share with your friends and family and your loved ones. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.